Bittorrent is a low-positioned coin with the ticker BTT that has a fundamentally present worth of $0 and a market capitalization of $369,137,710. Digital currencies have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in an extremely significant way. These days, it's a resource class that basically is significantly controlled and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate in an unobtrusive manner. Some for the most part huge speculation banks even especially secure Bittorrent and certainly other digital currencies all at once to explicitly safeguard their resources under administration against a running expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors in a significant manner. Presently, now is the right time to essentially uncover our short, mid, and by and large long-haul expectation of the advancements on the BTT market that truly depend on the readings of our kind of remarkable crypto unpredictability record that generally assists us with measuring the market feeling and truly expect where in which the market plans to go especially. At this point, the cost of Bittorrent basically is $0, while the coin at present certainly ends up at 70th spot in the generally speaking positioning in an unpretentious manner. The said extremely positioning truly is assessed based on the resource's really present value that especially is duplicated by its sort of current market capitalization, a recipe that basically is applied all through all monetary business sectors in an exceptionally significant manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients in every way that really matters get the most significant information with respect to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios in an unpretentious way. It's likewise vital to especially consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing in an especially large manner. On October 1, the cost of Bittorrent generally was at $0 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change really added up to 0.14%. 7 days prior, on September 25, BTT basically was esteemed at $0, which in every practical sense intends that from that point forward, the cost most certainly has really varied by 0% in an unobtrusive manner. A month prior, on September 2, the market member laid out the cost of Bittorrent at $0. Subsequently, the coin has made a 4.20% move to sort of arrive at its kind of present standings, or so they sort of thought. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Bittorrent isn't a possibly kind of factor that we especially consider while making the cost forecast, or so they thought. It's likewise critical to, in every practical sense, keep a truly sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to have in every practical sense, clear perspective on where the market truly is going in a significant manner. The examination of market capitalization conveys equivalent significance in both digital currency and conventional business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. As a matter of fact, similar numerical methodology in every practical sense is utilized to in a real sense decide the sort of generally speaking position and notoriety of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which really is very huge. Changes in market capitalization truly sure by and large negative for the most part are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both short and by and large long-haul points of view, which generally is very critical. This truly specific by and large measurement truly is likewise used to check the strength of Bittorrent corresponding to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in a huge manner. To in every practical sense, decide the truly current market capitalization of BTT, we duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will really be essentially made sense of later by the truly present worth of the cryptographic money under audit, or so they generally thought. Starting today, the market capitalization of Bittorrent fundamentally remains at $369,137,710, which shapes the reason for its in every practical sense, present certainly positioning that in every practical sense was referenced prior. Yesterday, on October 1, BTT had a market capitalization of $369,543,723, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Keep going week, on September 25, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $364,513,044 in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on September 2, the market worth of Bittorrent generally was surveyed to in a real sense be $385,328,658, showing that adjustments of market capitalization positive or really negative especially are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market may head. As well as the resources exceptionally potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both certainly short and extremely long-haul viewpoints. Absolute stock considers the quantity of coins that explicitly have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining, showing how the examination of market capitalization generally conveys in every practical sense equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors, or so they especially thought. These digital currencies can especially be utilized either for truly dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers in an unobtrusive manner. This especially metric likewise considers the coins that for the most part have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which in a real sense is applied to control the expansion rate in a by and large significant manner. At this point, the for the most part complete stockpile of Bittorrent is laid out at 990,000,000,000,000,000 BTT, which by and large is genuinely huge. Finally, the circling supply in a real sense is utilized to compute the market capitalization and most certainly survey the coins truly current remaining in the positions in a significant way. It signifies the kind of generally speaking measure of BTT that basically is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that in a real sense are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use out of the blue in every way that really matters, significant way. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million generally are the most reasonable for extremely long-haul speculation, since they explicitly are generally prone to fundamentally see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, as opposed to mainstream thinking. At this crossroads, Bittorrent basically has a coursing supply of 951,421,714,286,000 coins in an unpretentious manner. Over the exact beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with BTT arrived at the place of $11,359,400 versus the basically thought. Yesterday, on October 1, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame generally remained at $9,334,227, genuinely further appearance over the sort of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with BTT arrived at the place of $11,359,400 in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on September 25, how much BTT that especially was traded between market members explicitly was assessed at $13,462,975, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently basically comes an opportunity to in a real sense make sense of exhaustively the substance of the crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, since it's a focal point of our cost expectation model that permits us to generally predict the way that Bittorrent will especially follow over the extremely next 1 to 5 years, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. CVIX is